Hey Next Level Quizzers, welcome back to Next Level Quizizz. Can you guess the word by emojis? Let's find out by 25 challenges.
Can you guess this word? Yes, it is Burger King. What do these emojis mean? Correct, it is popcorn. Think fast. What's the word? Nice, it is milkshake. Can you figure it out? Right, it is cupcake. What's the hidden word here? Great, it is honeycomb. Guess the word from these emojis. Yes, it is star fruit. Do you know the answer? Correct, it is ice cream. What do these clues represent? That's right, it is brain freeze. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Boom, it is fire pizza. One word. Can you guess it?
Yes, it is chocolate-covered strawberries.
What word comes to your mind? Correct, it is speed noodles. Look closely, what is it? Nice one, it is hard cookie. Can you crack this one? Right, it is dream cake. Guess before time runs out. Great guess, it is sugar crush. What's your answer? Yes, it is mooncake. This one is tricky. Try it. Correct, it is pixel burger. Guess before time runs out. That's right, it is game chips. Can you get it right? Nice, it is lifeline juice. What do you see here? Boom, it is thunder drink. Put your brain to work. Guess it. Yes, it is sun mango. What's the correct word? Correct, it is wave coffee. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Right, it is locker snack. Take a guess. What is it? Great, it is time fries. Let's see if you can guess this. Yes, it is cyber donut. Can you decode this? Correct, it is fire starter barbecue.
Great job, Next Level crew. How many words did you crack today? Let us know your score in the comments. Next Level is super curious to see who nailed it. If you had solving these emoji puzzles, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on the next challenge. See you next time.